So this is something that you have to put into consideration while you're trying to launch the bot. As you can see, I have the minimum, I have more than the minimum balance for the profit share right here. And I want to try and launch a new bot. I'm going to cancel this here. And let me first of all activate for the profit share. If you want to activate for subscription, you have to come here and click on subscribe. Okay. If you want to activate for profit share, you have to come here and click on activate. Okay. So let me click on activate. It has been activated successfully. So I'm going to close this. Deposit held, high grade profits, XR token, all these things, they are still coming soon. So now I'm going to go back to the settings. Now I'll click on testing, which is a new API that was added. Okay. And just so you know, there is a chance that you can add like two other exchange accounts, and run the bot together with two other exchange accounts, like 3 accounts under the same bot. So I'm going to click on this and I'll come here, leave all these settings alone. I don't know why this is not changing as I want. So I'm going to click on, okay, yes, no, okay, this is yes. Auto restart new cycle after target is achieved. So I'll come here and click on start. So after clicking on start, says session started. Okay, session started. Let me go to my dashboard. I'm not seeing any trade on my dashboard yet. So the way the bot works is this: it has some level of algorithm that needs to be in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow the bot to train itself. Okay. So but once a session is achieved, this is the kind of profits I'm going to make. So there will be profit. There's going to be a profit of $31 on my accounts. Okay. So but the bot is still working. Okay. It has started working. As you can see, it already picked a trade. And if I go to Binance now, I'm going to see, I'm going to be able to see that trade that the bot picked. So the way this bot works, you can see that there is a negative balance right here, and it picked mask USDT perpetual. All right. So and this is the size, $450 size. That is really big. Okay, but I don't have any concern. Why? Because if the trade is going like in the negative direction, this bot is sensible enough to hedge the position. Okay, it will rather, I think this is a long position. If the trade is going against me, this bot is going to hedge that position and find an exit point. Okay, find an exit point. So let me go to derivative. Let me go to USDC futures so they can have an idea of what the bot is doing. It is using 20x leverage. If you ask me, you can say that this is really big. Yes, it is big. So it is using a big leverage, and right now it is having a profit of 2.5% profit at the moment on that position. So but once the target is achieved, the bot is going to close it. It's going to keep the profit for me, and I'm going to receive a message that that the bot has reached the target. So I'm not believing this. Tomorrow, I'm going to update you guys tomorrow again to let you know how the bot is performing. All right, to let you know how the bot is performing. I'm going to encourage you guys to sign up now. Use my affiliate link. If you use my affiliate link and you have any question with respect to the bot, you can join the community. Okay, and let me know what you think about the bot. If you have any question, I'll be able to put you through. Okay. So the best way you can reward me for all of this effort for creating a robust tutorial for you, I have an entire playlist dedicated to this bot on my channel. So the best way the best you can reward me for that is to sign up with my affiliate link and be a part of my team members. Okay, be a part of my team members. Okay, so at this stage, I've been able to start the bots. The only thing I'm waiting for right now is the TA. The TA means target achieved. All right. So congratulations to me, and also congratulations to you, because if this is working for me, I'm going to make sure that it works for you also. Okay, so that is all about this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is quite important for me and you. Okay, let's grow this channel together. Let's grow the community together. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, okay, and make a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to join the community, the crypto rich community on Telegram. That is where we interact and discuss all kind of things really as regard crypto. Okay, anything crypto is what we discuss on the community. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in the next tutorial, in the next update about this new journey that we are entering together. So thanks for being there. Thanks for watching the tutorial.